Hello, this is Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to see a preview of Tom Sawyer Data Streams. In today's video, we will discuss an overview of Tom Sawyer Data Streams, create a data flow, and then see the results in a Tom Sawyer Perspectives application. Tom Sawyer Data Streams is scheduled for release in Q1 2026. We also have a beta program in the fourth quarter of 2025. Tom Sawyer Data Streams enables the integration, transformation, and enrichment of data from diverse and continuously evolving data sources with a data flow-oriented application and data integration hub. With Tom Sawyer Data Streams, you can simultaneously connect to multiple applications and data sources and integrate the data into a single model. These capabilities support data engineers to create effective and accurate knowledge graphs, which can be used within AI pipelines, for data migration and modernization efforts. With Tom Sawyer Perspectives visualization and analysis applications, or with the Tom Sawyer Explorations no-code graph intelligence application. In addition, these knowledge graphs can be used for specialized data science and analytics, in the creation of more accurate large language models, for validation of generative AI results, and for integrating agentic results into a single source of truth database. Tom Sawyer Data Streams features visual data flow modeling and a schema viewer to streamline the integration of data from multiple independent sources into a unified graph model. In its first release, Tom Sawyer Data Streams will federate data from Kafka streams and will save models to a graph database. Additional data sources, syncs, and transformations will be supported in following releases. In order to create a knowledge graph, we are going to use Tom Sawyer Data Streams to connect to a Kafka stream, subscribe to topics, which represent nodes and edges, apply transformations, and save model to sync. First, we're going to create a new data flow. So we're going to add a source, and here we are going to connect to a particular Kafka stream and subscribe to the topic, which represents nodes, and click OK. We are now connected to the Kafka topic, which will populate nodes in the knowledge graph. Next, we will add a sync for our graph model. So we'll give the sync a name, and we're going to click OK. And apply an automatic layout. Now we're going to add the edges to our knowledge graph. So we subscribe to the edge channel, and we're going to click OK. We are now connected to the Kafka topic, which will populate edges in the knowledge graph. Next, we're going to add a transformation so that these data elements become edges in our graph model. So we define the transformation type, the type name, the from type, and the to type, as well as giving the associated IDs, and click OK. So we're going to add the edges to our data flow from the source to the transformation, and then to the sync. And then we're going to apply layout. Next, we deploy the model. The schema viewer shows us the model element types and attributes that we have in our new knowledge graph. Now we will go see this knowledge graph loaded into a Tom Sawyer Perspectives application. And here is our new knowledge graph that we just created with Tom Sawyer Data Streams. Now we're going to create a new data flow which populates the graph model with data that matches a certain condition. We add a source which is connected to the Kafka topic, which will populate nodes in the knowledge graph. We now add a condition, so we bring in only elements that match a certain condition. In this case, we only want to bring in elements that represent down devices in our network. Next, we're going to add our sync. And next, add our data flow edges from our source to our condition to sync and apply layout. And we deploy the model. We return to Tom Sawyer perspectives, and now we see the knowledge graph, which has only elements that match that certain condition. In today's video, we gave an overview of Tom Sawyer Data Streams, created a data flow, and showed the results in a Tom Sawyer Perspectives application. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to join the waitlist for Tom Sawyer Data Streams, or to take part in the beta program.